Welcome back. Anyways, this is Barcelona. Bike ride.
We're going on a bike ride, Miriam. Miriam, bike ride.
Bike riding to Barcelona.
Dodgers still. They can bring the GoPros. Angelica. Barcelona bike ride.
We couldn't bring the GoPros because they were in the bus. I left them in the bus, and they wouldn't go back to the bus for me to get them out. So I just had my big camera. So everything's done off my big camera, the Canon 6D. Please enjoy the video, and if you guys haven't yet, hit that subscribe button. It's free. It's not gonna cost you a penny. Dude, these are called the alleys. These are the streets over there. So many bakeries everywhere. It's amazing. This is where we're gonna jump on the bikes. Come here. This is our crew. Part of our crew.
Don't fall back.
How am I gonna fall? I'm a professional.
We had to go in the circle to make sure we're able to.
Can we put the sirens on? Woo, woo, woo.
Yes, I'm doing a voiceover because
So we're doing a little bike tour on bikes. Woo! Oh damn!
isn't that Bill amazing?
Oh shit! The brakes work good.
What do I mean by that?
Watch for cars, Mir.
You barely touch these brakes. I mean, they stop. I'm holding the camera with the right hand, so that the right hand's my rear brakes.
Angie.
I saw it, Dad. I posed.
Crazy Angelica. Miriam up there. Feel the history on these buildings. The architectural. It's amazing. Here. Oh. Everybody around here takes bicycles, scooters, motorcycles, buses. You barely see streets like this.
Beep beep.
All these bikes to the right you can
All
rent.
these bikes, dude. Spain, beautiful.
It's so crazy. So many bikes and motorcycles, scooters. So relaxing. Go outside, kick it, eat something, eat bread, Danish food. The guy's watching right there. Like, what are you doing? Absolutely amazing. Those are the trash cans to the right.
Motorcycles.
A lot of motorcycles. Crazy. It's not crazy, it's amazing. Watch this. Look what happens right here. Tell me what happens right here. Whoever told me what happened first gets free lights. I talked about already. This is the park out there. Beautiful park. Everybody's just relaxing on this day.
Trying to hit the pigeon.
Everybody walks, everybody relaxes. It's so beautiful out here. You never see that many people at a park unless it's like a festival, you know? You know what I'm saying? It's crazy. I use the word crazy a lot, so get used to it. It's alright. Yeah, beautiful. Everybody just relaxing with families, friends, kicking it, doing whatnots or wherever. Enjoying life. What's this? This is the zoo. Zoo de Barcelona.
I want that dog, Dad.
Look, a California bear. It's a nice bear. That dog was huge. I loved him. That thing would have tore me up.
Not bad. Follow the rules and instructions. Ow!
We got you, man. What the hell is she saying? Rules and
Miriam riding a
instructions.
bicycle.
Yes.
And Miriam and Angelica right there.
Absolutely beautiful.
We're in Barcelona. Bicycle ride.
Oh, we're stopping. Are you okay?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Woolly mammoth.
And that's the other thing I forgot to bring was my stabilizer. I left it in the States. Look at that. It's beautiful. Here we go.
I just want to videotape you. Won't crash. He looks so cute, man.
It's such a big park. You guys, I apologize about the shaking on the camera. How I said I didn't have my stabilizer. Watch out, person. Watch out. Dogs. I love dogs. Here we go. Off to the ocean. Or the beach. This is pretty cool. Walkway. Here I am. Right, Willie, man. Waiting. Willie time. Come on. No? Okay, it's cool. Local art. So cool, everybody's just walking. Little train. Beautiful train. Or tram. Same thing. You guys know what I'm saying. It's all the same. You guys understood me. It's all good. Another dog. Look at the cars, the way they park. What kind of structure is that? Park any way you want? Any side of the road?
What do you
What's
guys
that?
think about it? Leave a comment below.
What is that, people? Imagination time. Exactly. That's crazy. I use the word crazy a lot too. I'm not sure if I said that already, but modern art. Another park. I mean, these are all flagpoles right here. The ocean, the beach. It's crazy. Dude, literally, if I didn't fast forward, this video would be like almost an hour and a half long. Or longer. So I just wanted to fast forward if you guys can enjoy it, see what we have.
My legs hurt more.
Trying to use the restroom break and ice cream.
And it did it as steps. It did it as steps too. It did? Yeah, so we now got 9,501. Perfect. My thighs hurt. Come on, you got no
So this is the boardwalk beach. Yeah. Hey, pay attention to this kid. Pay attention to this kid. What would you guys do if this was your kid and he did this to you? Don't forget the kid. I know you guys are watching the ocean, the beach. Don't forget the kid. Watch the kid. Watch. Not that. What the hell was that? Look at the mom. Look at her mom's reaction. Starts laughing. What did you guys do? You know what I'll do? Hell no. My kids know exactly what I'll do. They'll be spinning around like what's the name? Tasmania in a circle. The kids like checking me out like, hey, you recording me, bro? Crazy. Here we go. We're off. Beautiful boardwalk. A lot of people eating ice cream too. Crazy. One of our good friends right there, Tiffany, in front of us. Look at this. It's so relaxing. I know it's kind of hard to enjoy the whole video thing, but trying to show you Spain.
Excuse me.
Oh, by the way, the people here, they don't care if you're riding a bike. They'll still walk. They don't care if they're in the way. And the other main thing is, if you're crossing somewhere and it's red, don't cross. They say red means dead people. That's what they said. If you're crossing somewhere and you see a red, little red cross guy, it means death. Do not cross. It means you're dead. Green means go. Just remember that. We're stopping here for a break and a little information.
It's one of the bigger hospitals.
That's like a fish, a symbol of a fish. A goldfish or something. This is where they had the Olympics too. They built all this because of the Olympics back years ago. And this building right here, it looks like Dubai.
Looks like Dubai right there.
Remember what I just said? It looks like the sail of Dubai, that big building that just sits out there on the coast.
Hey!
Our other group, the beat team.
Isn't that part of our tour?
Awesome people. The whole group was awesome. Sorry, I'm yawning. And that's all you're gonna see is buses everywhere, dropping off people, tour guides, all that. These people were doing like a video shoot. They were shooting crossing the waters. So let's just follow Miriam on her little bike ride. Crazy. But I think it's so awesome. More bikes everywhere. This is a bike trail right here. So our group's only like, I don't know, probably like 10 or 12 in our group right here. So someone to wait to cross a couple minutes, maybe a minute. Angelica behind me. Watch this guy watch this guy. Right here. No. I put the camera right almost in his face because he's like trying to walk into their bikes. Right here. From me behind, that's probably like 4 more bikes he just had to wait. He didn't have to be a jerk about it. He's lucky to have $2,000 or $3,000 camera than you. I'm not trying to be rude, but I'm just saying, you know? Crazy. Uh-oh, what happened to my music? Uh-oh. Dude, look at this. Oh, so many people here. And remember, watch pickpocketers. They said you wouldn't even recognize them. They look like normal people, kids. Just bump you once and it's gone. You see crowds like that. Sorry, just yawned again. But look at that craziness. More trash cans. These little trash cans, recyclable bins, all that. There is no public bathrooms out here, by the way. If you need a bathroom, you have to buy like a water, then you can use the bathroom. But if you ask them to use the bathroom, they'll tell you no. But if you buy a water or a candy, you can use the bathroom. Look at the stone on the ground. Awesome. Sorry, I'm yawning a lot. Absolutely amazing the ground. These people, they don't care if bikes. I just still rode through. And it's like, what the hell? The other people, the rest of the group got stopped. What happened here? Someone losing or what, people? Someone's lost control? Yeah, someone's losing thumb. Look at these people. They're allowed to sell here, I think. I think it's like a little, maybe, I don't know, flea market or something? But if you want a lot of bootleg, this is where it's at right there. It's craziness. I'm not sure about you guys. Does this make you dizzy like this, going fast forward? Trying to show everything, you know? I said it would be like an hour and a half video or longer. So just trying to fast forward it. Look at this guy. Almost took him out with my bike. So cool. So I'm basically riding a bike with one hand. I'm using my bad hand to hold the camera. Dude, some of these rugs are awesome on the ground. Absolutely amazing. So you got stores to the right, the marina to the left. A bunch of people down there in little stores that really sell you stuff, food, chips, you know, homemade stuff to eat, snacks, edibles. Just be careful out here. That whole blanket right there is probably all Jordans and all the soccer paraphernalia, the glasses, handbags. You have Louis in there, which, you know, they're fake. More bikes. Scooters. These people were totally cool right here. I'm not sure what they said, but they were cool. A bunch of cool people on this route. Scooters. Next time I'm gonna pay one of those guys to wheel me around.
Hello.
Hola.
Hi.
Hola. ¿Cómo estás? Goodbye. Bunch of officers around. The policía. They have scooters, everything. Look at this.
People eating dinner, lunch.
How I said, lunch, dinner. Everybody enjoying them. See the little bicycle right there? How many people
No driver.
You guys are on. There's like 4 people on there in San Francisco. I think I appeared 39 or 49. I think it's 39. Anyways, we stuck 4 people on there and we took a ride. this stuff this summer. But see, these guys right here, they see the cops, they're out. That's how they're like ready to run. That's another street. You can see a lot of people taking pictures, like doing photo shoots. Pretty crazy. It's not crazy, it's just beautiful. I mean, I don't blame them. Everybody's enjoying themselves. Little shops out there. Oh, but you guys have to watch the videos.
Uh-oh, repo!
Videos look like the old Roman Empire. The buildings, the structure, the Colosseum still there. People doing photo shoot right there. Trash bag. The guards would stand in those little doors right there. Look at the doors in these. Beautiful doors. See, now we're going back into the city. And this is the alleyways. It's so small. And there's those squares. Dude, it feels like everything was just built on top of each other. But everything is beautiful. Watch out. It's like a maze. Very beautiful. There were students, our group.
El moto!
These guys are cool right here.
El moto! Let's race! Let's race!
He revved mortar and everything, but you can barely hear it on that bike. Look at the wall art.
Hey, hey, buddy!
Right here, the wall art to the left.
No more butt massage.
That Peter Rabbit? Anyways, the ground's like cobblestone. It's bumpy as hell. It's fun as hell.
Oh! Customer safety, da 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 da.
What the hell did that guy just say? What did he say? Leave a comment. What did he say?
I got the pigeons.
This is the end of our bike ride.
Please take
The
out
green
your
bikes.
helmet,
They're awesome.
clip it to
I recommend these guys right here. Green bikes. They have tons of bikes in that building. And these guys are just like climbing up this thing.
Absolutely not.
I was hoping they'll make a viral video right now. It's a big wire thing.
Oh, he's going higher. Hold on, man.
Can you do it? Can you do it? Can this guy do it? Can he make my video go viral?
Climb it all the way to the top. Go to the top.
I just wanted to fall.
Booyah. Look at that. He's beautiful. Policía. You see some weird things out here. They handcuffed someone right there. I'm not sure what exactly happened, but they did.
Well, there's a point.
But I took camera into it. Phone. And don't forget, like always, if you haven't, hit that subscribe button. Please join our family. It doesn't cost anything to be a member of our family. We really appreciate it. And please hit that thumbs up and hit that subscription button. And stay tuned to our next videos. A lot more of Spain coming towards you guys. And Oregon.
Yeah. So
And
let's
Alcatraz,
say
people.
Francisco,
Alcatraz,
¿verdad que
a
de
prison.
Barcelona Zaragoza que hay? 3 horas.
Alright. What is this, you guys? As a reflection.
4
Maybe you
largas.
guys can answer it. Building all reflects underneath. What is that? Tell me. Comment below. Alright, like always, join our family and become a big family. Alright? We appreciate it. Thank you. Till the next one. Look at that weird building. What the hell? What was going through their mind when they're designing buildings? Or is it really a rocket? That's a big ass window. Big ass window.
It's huge.
He showed me how to get the lock off.
Are you close to?
Are you supposed to open this or not? Our view sucks. Ain't like the other side. Alright, thank you.
I think you're supposed to.